Aloha and welcome to another episode of Blues and Oranges brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. I'm Coach Paka and today we're going to be making a creamsicle smoothie. Alright, let's go over our ingredients we'll be needing to make a creamsicle. Orange juice, frozen mango chunks, soy milk, a measuring cup, and a blender. Let's get started so we can make this creamsicle smoothie. We're going to need a cup and a half of mango. It's a cup and a half. Let's open our blender. Put that in. We're going to need a cup of orange juice. That in. Oh, it smells good already. We're going to need a half a cup of soy milk. Did you know that soy milk is a good source of potassium? It also can be fortified with vitamins A, B12, D, as well as calcium. And did you know that B12 is a nutrient for nerve and blood cells? It also makes DNA, the genetic material in cells. Okay, we're gonna blend for 30 seconds. All right, here we go. Done blending, and now we're gonna taste test. That's a creamsicle. It tastes really good. So now we're gonna head on over to our sink and I'm gonna show you how to clean up, or how I clean up to make sure everything's sanitized. All right, here we are at our sink, and before I start to even wash the dishes, I like to rinse the dishes. I'm gonna take off the cover from the blender. Put the blender in. I like to use hot water. Get my sponge, my soap. So I like to go inside, scrub. Be careful because the blades are sharp. See how clean that is? All right, that's how we clean our dishes. Now let's go and clean our station we worked at. All right, first we're gonna put our items away that we used. Okay, now we're gonna clean up our station that we worked at. Okay, that's how we sanitize and clean our station. All right, thank you for watching this episode of How to Make a Smoothie with Coach Paka. I'd like to see your smoothie on the bottom in the comments below and show it off. Also, can you give me 2 facts of soy milk or orange juice or even mango? All right, you all come back now.